Alright, this is how I retrofitted my BMX bike frame to fit the rear dropout requirements of a rear hub motor. So I've got two ratchet straps here. I had a block in there, 140 millimeter block, but as you can see when I took it out, it retracted a little, so I'm going to just stretch it out. And what I've been doing is kind of just doing a clip here and then doing a click there and just kind of letting her hang out for a bit. Been watching the weld marks for any cracks or anything like that. So I'm at 132 millimeters, so I'll probably go one click on one side and that will be it. So anyway, there you go. Alright, here's the latest progress on the EMX BMX. I've got the rear hub motor on here. I was gonna start to hook everything up and plug everything into the controller, but unfortunately I was sent the wrong controller, but the supplier's sending me a new one, so everything, all the fittings and connectors match everything on the controller, which is nice. But I've got the pedal assist sensor hooked up. There's a little bit of friction in the pedal, but I'm gonna try and maybe iron that out. We'll see what happens. And then I've got obviously the power cord running here, and then I've got a Tork arm ready to go, just because I saw online that a lot of people use those for when they have the hub motor. So went with that. I got the brakes, not necessarily good to go, but as soon as I turn the bike upright and put on the thumb throttle and all the grips and stuff, I'll adjust those. But in the meantime, I'm pretty much just getting ready for my new controller to arrive. Pretty much just wiring everything to here. My battery comes in a couple days, so I'll probably solder on an XT90 connector, because I don't think it came with that. I don't think the battery came with that, so I've been looking online to see how exactly to solder that, so we'll see how that goes. But I can only assume that the new controller will come with an XT90, and if not, I think I'll put an XT90 on there, on the battery and on the controller anyway. It seems to be the going connector in the e-bike industry or whatever. So that's pretty much it. The fork stretch went okay, the hub motor went in good. It seems to be you know, spinning reasonably. We'll see once we get out to ride, but that's not going to be for a couple weeks, as I've got a couple more things to come in the mail. So there's the update.